Emma Binula and system is crashing. We're back now. Barika Jimo and welcome on board. It is Friday edition. Sunday. Yeah. And welcome again. It is our Friday broadcast, and I say very good afternoon and welcome to the program as we are just about to kick start. Yoruba nation. Okay, when there are on Twitter. It is the Friday edition. It is live. It is Koiki Media. Ṣé Inec máa break in Nigeria fún wa àbí báwo ló ṣe máa lọ? These are all the conversation on the table. Ó tán tì. Àwọn àfáàní. Very good afternoon and welcome once again. Mo kí gbogbo wa. A very good afternoon and welcome once again to the live pool. It is 12:48 from London as we continue to educate the Yoruba people, the Biafra, the 370 ethnic groups put together in Nigeria by the British government. I say good afternoon and welcome to each and every one of you. Barika Jimo fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. My name is Olami Koiki and I say very good afternoon to all our listeners. Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá káàkiri ní láti Lagos State mo kí pé ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò. Mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí gbogbo àwọn tó ń bẹ nílùú Ọ̀yọ́ mo kí gbogbo ọba alẹ́ adé tó ń bẹ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àti tó ń bẹ lọ́yọ́ State. ṣé bí gbogbo wa ṣe máa wò tí ìran Yorùbá ṣì máa sọ pé ọmọ Nàìjíríà làwọn àbí ká padà síbi tó rísun wọn wà. mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí gbogbo ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ní Ogun State, mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ní gbogbo local government, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Owódé, mo kí gbogbo yín ní gbogbo border láti Ìdíròkò, mo kí gbogbo local government, mo kí gbogbo coordinator kankan nínú Lagos State, Ọ̀yọ́ àti Ogun State. Abẹ́ orí àrùkọ Yorùbá ọba ọ̀rọ̀ rí wọ́. Àní a máa forí kú nítorí pé tá bá ṣì wà nínú Nàìjíríà ìyàlá máa jẹ ẹja tètè kúrò nínú Nàìjíríà. Mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo lọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílùú Oǹdó, mo ń bọ̀ máa kí dáadáa. Ìjọkíjọ lọ́dọ́ ló wọ̀n yóò á sáré kiri. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìyá wa tí ẹ̀ ń wò pé ṣé bí ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe máa lọ leléyìí, ṣé ọdún mẹ́rin a tún máa wà nínú Nàìjíríà pẹ̀lú ìjọba APC àbí a máa ṣe nítorí ká ṣe ká lè fi kúrò nínú Nàìjíríà. Mo kí gbogbo coordinator tó ń bẹ l'Ondo State, mo kí gbogbo ọba aládé, mo kí gbogbo yín ní local government, mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní Ọ̀ṣun State. Ẹ̀yin ará Kwara mo kí yín Báríkà Jímọ̀, ẹ kì í ṣe Fúlàní ọmọ Yorùbá ni yín, mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí yín ní ìlú Èkìtì. Àní kò sódodo mọ́ nínú Nàìjíríà, ìyẹn la ṣe ń sọ pé ẹjẹ́ àdádúró káwa náà gba nation tiwa. Ṣé Inec máa pín Nàìjíríà? Kí làwọn Ọ̀hánìzè kí ni wọ́n sọ? Gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa gbọ́ lẹ́nu. Ẹ̀yin ará Kogi àfihàn sílẹ̀, àjọ ń lọ náà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ní Kogi, ó ti di dọ̀rọ̀ pé kájọ lọ òun náà níṣẹ́. Mo kí bàbá wa Professor Adébánjí Akíntóyè Akíndàdà Emeritus, the leader of the Yoruba nation struggle. Mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí bàbá wa Lógun Ọ̀fẹ́ Ìbà Gani Adams, mo kí gbogbo ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ LPC, a kí gbogbo àwọn Àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà farmers hunters, a kí gbogbo tó ń pè ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Nobody can fool us anymore. We are not Nigerians, we are Yoruba people and we are proud of such to be Yoruba people. Mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ sẹ́ mo kí gbogbo ibi tó jẹ́ gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti títí dé Cuba, Brazil, títí dé gbogbo African countries. Mo wá lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí bàbá wa Ìbà Gani Adams lẹ́ǹkan sí, mo kí bàbá mi dáadáa CSI ẹ̀kú rọ̀jú. Mo kí ẹ Àjàní Àjàlá, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ti Libya, mo kí gbogbo gúrùpù yín pátápátá. Tẹ́ ẹ bá rí mi nínú gúrùpù kankan lẹ́nujọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ má fi ṣèbínú. Mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí ti Miami, mo kí Azeez, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Ṣẹ́gun Ọ̀nà, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ti Canada, mo kí yín dáadáa ẹ̀gbọ́n mi èmi àbúrò yín náà ni. No retreat, no surrender. Gbogbo èmi nìkan, àwọn èèyàn ní kò lè jẹ́wọ́ nìkan, gbogbo àjọ máa délẹ̀ lérí ni. Why are we asking? Okay, any check WhatsApp mi máa tan WhatsApp ẹ lórí laptop, máa lè máa monitor messages tó bá ń wá sórí ẹ̀. We are live. It is the Friday. Third, mo kí ambassador happy belated birthday. Ẹ má bínú, mo ṣe rí pé ọmọ March ní ó dà ń pọ̀ lánàá ti Mass B. We are live. Yes, today being the third day of March, ọjọ́ kẹta nínú oṣù kẹta nínú ọdún 2023, Yorùbá nation. Mo kí ìyàwó Gbémilékè, ẹ bá ń kí grandma dáadáa, mo kí ìyàwó Táíwò Kíkẹ́, Ìdòwú Michael, Ayọ̀délé David, Prince Adékúnlé Adéwálé, mo kí Odili all the way in Canada. Shout out to all the Biafras that are with us as well. My name is Olami Koiki, and this is Koiki Media Live. Well, Supreme Court ruling. We don't know what Buhari is going to say, whether it's going to overrun it. There is no rule of law in Nigeria. Nigeria is not a country. We have told you so many times, but a lot of people still disagree with us. 23 million Nigerians have gone to vote out of 206 million. So 23 million believe that Nigeria should continue to operate as a country, regardless of whatever we feel. That is why some say you can't sit in the United Kingdom and ask for the breakup of Nigeria. Are we truly one? I love showing the map of Yoruba behind me, and that will then take me to play the anthem. I welcome you once again to each and every one of you that have joined us. Allahu Baba, a welcome to those of you on our Mix LR. Some of you don't know what it is. You can also subscribe to it. It's just one platform that is not cheaper for the benefit of those of you that are burning data, because our Yoruba nation will continue. Even after we have a Yoruba nation country, it will still continue. We appreciate those of you that have joined us already. You will have opportunity to call into the program at some point. I will do my presentation as usual. Continue to support the Yoruba Clubhouse, Think Yoruba Pulse, also Global Directorate, Yoruba Central Office, the Yoruba Mega Rally, Prophet Olugunluwa, and the rest of different groups that are promoting the Yoruba country. We love who we are, but I'm not sure whether some are ready that we should leave Nigeria. I don't know what Nigeria is doing for them, but some believe that we should remain Nigerians and for the benefit of people that probably will never even be to Nigeria and will not gbádùn jù. Àwọn òyìnbó kan wà wọ́n dé Nàìjíríà, owó tó ń jẹ nínú Nàìjíríà ó ju tèmi ṣe lọ níbí báyìí. So when people say I should shut up, I just pity a lot of you because you don't understand what we are saying. Ẹni tó wà ní Canada, ó wù kó padà lọ sílé, but ilé ò ṣe lọ. Kò ń ṣe torí Fúlàní nìkan la ṣe ń fẹ́ Yorùbá nation. It's because of our identity. Kò ṣe rà lọ́jà. And the moment you lose your identity, you lose your culture, you lose who you are, then you're nobody. So bá ti lose language, then what are you fighting for? Mo kí Adébáyọ̀, Suraju, Ọlátúnjí, Òkúnlọ́wọ̀, gbogbo yín ni mo kí, and a welcome to every one of you. Prince Ọláyẹmí, a welcome to you as well. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tájọ jẹ́ age mate, mo kí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jù wá lọ. Mo wá júbà fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nísàlẹ̀, táwa náà jù lọ. Ẹni tó jẹ́ spokesperson for Biden ní State Department, asorúkọ ìlànà Ned Price, is ọmọ 1982. He's a former CIA intelligence analyst. Kò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí terrorist wá sí America, iṣẹ́ tó lọ ṣe nìyẹn. Ìjẹ́ iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe, ìjẹ́ iṣẹ́ yẹn ló ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nísìnyí, àbí wọn náà ń gbọ́ ọ̀kadà tó ń gun kẹ̀kẹ́ márúwá táwọn politician gbélé yín lọ́wọ́. Mo kí bàbá wa Jimoh Adéọ̀ṣun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi ọkàn wa balẹ̀. Ìtí bàbá wo lọ́wọ́ ti sọ ni a máa play anthem wọn nísìnyí. Pé ó ti di dandan pé ìjọ kan máa wáyé, àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá máa dìde, wọ́n máa béèrè fẹ́tọ̀ wọn. Ẹ̀tọ́ náà láti béèrè, àwọn kan náà ti ń pẹ́ jù. Ẹ ti dójú tì wá ládùúgbò. Àwọn tó ń support politician wọ́n sì máa wá bẹ̀yìn lọ́rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí. Ó lè dàbí rọ́, ó lè dàbí òtítọ́, gbogbo àjọ wà nínú ẹ̀ ni. Nigeria has failed every one of us. And there's no point trying to save Nigeria anymore. Let it go. I know some of you do not want Nigeria to go. I don't know why. You love Nigeria so much. I want to love Nigeria nígbà kan. But now that we understand everything we know now, it's not worth it. Just let it go. Àwọn kan béèrè, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Bọ̀rọ̀kìnní rather. Ṣé bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ ló kọ Yorùbá anthem? Somebody was asking me at the early hours of this morning when I was doing my program. Ta ló kọ? Mr. Koiki, what is the next plan about our struggle? People ask questions all the time. It's still struggle continue, not me. Hey, take back country. So there's no plan that we are going to continue our push until we have what belongs to us. Ìyàwó mi ní máa fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́, ó ti yé wọn. Kí ni plan ta ní? Gbogbo tẹ́mi fẹ́ sọ ẹ ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. So gbogbo eléyìí tá a ṣe is just to keep it going. Tá a bá ti dórí M1. Mo kí bàbá Moses Abiodun Ojo. Olúmi mo kí ìyàwó Felicia Ajagbe grandma mo kí mà. Mo kí gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ti wà lórí Instagram pẹ̀lú mi. Àwọn kan prefer Instagram, oríṣiríṣi class la ní. Táwọn èèyàn bá ń béèrè pé what is the way forward? The way forward is Yoruba nation. It's the only way forward. But plan wo la máa fi lọ? À ń bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ pé kọ́ ṣe tí mo kí ìyàwó Irúkẹ́ Ayat. Ọmọ mi, ẹ kú àlàjọdún ẹ ṣe níjọ́ òní. Peter Dino Sam. They are Yoruba people that wants to die for Nigeria and they are supporting that agenda. There are many of them. They are in the political party, they are in the Labour Party, they are in the APC, they are in the PDP, they are in the NNPP, they are even in the AD. They create all different, political party. How can 18 political party be contesting in a country where there's not going to get the result? It's a waste of time. 18 political party. Ta ló kọ anthem yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, mo kí ẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Azeez, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Ṣẹ́gun Ọ̀nà, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀ ti Canada, mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí Japan, mo kí Libya, mo kí ìyàwó bàbá wa Shitu Ọmọwùnmí, and let's go with this. Orílẹ̀-èdè lẹ́yìn wa kàgbéga 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 ìgbàgbọ́ bá ti bẹ̀rù làbọ̀ mọ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ ìṣọ̀kan òmìnira ní kẹjẹ́ tẹ̀síwájú ọ̀pọ̀ ire àtòhún ọmọ Oòduà bọ́ sí ipò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ ògo adúláwọ̀ àwa ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ ògo adúláwọ̀. Welcome Eunice and welcome all the Biafras, and I say welcome to everyone.
Again. No going back. Ìgbòho òòṣà iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tẹ̀síwájú. Mr. Koiki ẹ ṣé o, àwọn ọmọ mi ló kí yìí o. Àwọn ọmọ mi ló kí yìí o.
I just love this little children. Yoruba nation, no going back. We are Muslims, we are Christians, we are traditionalists, and we are proud like that. But what we are not proud of is being called Nigeria. We didn't know before. I mean, I understand, we love Nigeria. We love the flag, we love the football, we love the music, we love the food. But now that we are understanding who we are, is that not better in the interest of the future? Mo kí gbogbo àwọn Yoruba councillor tó ń bẹ ní United Kingdom, and they're working very hard. Some of them probably still doesn't believe in Yoruba, but they are representing the Yorubas as councillor in UK. But are you thinking that your own territory in the Yoruba land is going away? We have members of parliament here in United Kingdom. Are you not thinking that your own territory, known as the Yoruba land, is going away? We have Yorubas that believe that we should continue to work in line with the political parties. That is why some endorse PDP, while some endorse APC, and while some endorse believe in Labour Party, but everyone is crying because the Labour Party believe the election has been rigged. The Yoruba sovereign nation is the only meaningful solution for the Yoruba people. Look, we will have problems, but we will be able to work out those problems within ourselves in our own parliamentary system. If that is what we are going to be using, I don't know. We will be able to work and ask questions why we are getting people that will get a job before a Yoruba man. We will think about the Yoruba people. Mukiyawa Molara Ajala. Muki Yawa Afonja Comfort Olubomi. Welcome on the program. My name is Olami Koiki. I am just the good guy that want the best for the Yoruba people. Look, we love Nigeria at some point. There's nobody that will say, I won't like Nigeria. We love Nigeria. We were passionate about Nigeria. So, I will not die for Nigeria anymore. A guy, 19 years old, just commits suicide. He died because he believed that there's no more hope in Nigeria. So, Omobolaji, I greet you. Mo kí Amílẹ́kan sí Gbémilékè. Mo kí gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá World Media. Mo kí àwọn tó sì nínú Yorùbá World Media. Mo kí gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ pé their job is to write, articles. Shout out to all the Koiki Media team. I love you guys so much. Emmanuel Ayomide, I shout out to you. Mo kí ní Dublin. I greet everybody around the world. Do we continue to be Nigerians or should we just break it down? Awolowo was thinking that one day people will stand up and ask those questions that is difficult for láti béèrè. We should remain as Nigerians. Why? Well, what is the benefit of Nigeria? How does that benefit us now as indigenous people? We appreciate you as well, Emmanuel Ayomide, Idowu Michael. Mr. Koiki, before I was born, they have been shouting up NEPA. Until now, they are shouting the same thing. For how long? Omobolaji Abdullahi, welcome to the program. I am just a good guy. I know some of you want to be in my shoe. Look, I would love you to start your own media. I will support you. I will promote you. I need as many Yoruba people to be doing what I'm doing. Oh, if you think that we are making a lot of money on it, please start it now. Start talking about Yoruba Nation conversation. Do you think that Nigeria is going to work? I greet every different political parties, but one thing is, you cannot solve the problem of Nigeria. We know that. But you would definitely say, no, you can solve our problem. You can solve my problem in the Senate. Do you believe that they can solve your problem in the Senate in Abuja? Or do you prefer that the Senate comes closer to you so that you can go there, you can go to Parliament and sit down there and listen to what they are discussing. I will come and say, if you have to go to Abuja now, it's going to cost a lot of money. Even your own state level House of Assembly do not value anyone within those constituencies. They've become very powerful. They've suppressed, they've subjugated. We talk about the Fulani. What about the Yorubas that are suppressing the people? Níbo làwọn yẹn wà? Ọ̀túnlá Tèmítọ́pẹ́ mo kí. They say police has been arresting people that are calling Yoruba Nation. Okay. I don't have that information, but that is coming from the screen, from one of our mothers. Àìtí dorí ibi tó yẹ kó tó bá dé ju kókó, ọlọ́pàá nílé arrest anybody. So àmọ́ ẹni tí ọlọ́pàá fẹ́ arrest. Ọlọ́pàá ní right láti fẹ́ arrest anybody, but because a ṣe fún ọlọ́pàá ní authority pé lórí ilẹ̀ yo Nàìjíríà la ṣe ń jẹ́. Níjọ́ tá a bá ti jẹ́ kọ́lọ́pàá mọ̀ mú kí láti United Arab Emirates wọ́n ní láti Sharjah ṣé mo kùnrin láti Sharjah ẹ̀yin bàbá ọmọ borí owó àti gbogbo ẹ̀dá wà ní UAE wọ́n ní wọ́n rí ní visa fún wọn mọ́ níbẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ n fi máàpù ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ̀nyí bí a tẹ̀ bá ń rí máàpù yẹn lójoojúmọ́ bí ẹ̀mí yẹn á máa kúrò lára Nàìjíríà. There are countries that is not even up to Osun State and they are doing very well respected around the world. What is the essence of having a country of 200 million and only 25 million went to vote? Abu Dhabi ní Sharjah, okay? Ibẹ̀lẹ̀ iná wà, Ọlábàndúró tí gbogbo ẹ̀tẹ̀ wà níbẹ̀. Ẹlòmíì ọ̀rọ̀ aríṣẹ́ kékeré tó rọra ń ṣe nínú McDonald's kò ní choice. Sáàbù McDonald's bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹlòmíì tó yẹ pé ẹni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní McDonald's yẹn, ó jẹ́ kó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, kó máa bá wa ṣe research, bá ṣe máa develop coding, tá ṣe máa ṣe apps, tá ṣe máa send the staff. Iṣẹ́ pọ̀ tá a fi ṣe. Nítorí pa ṣe wà nù Nàìjíríà lọ́lọ́pàá ṣe lọ́mú yìí. Torí pé kò tí dàrú. Àwọn èèyàn lẹ́tí ní Kóìkì ẹnu tí ẹ̀gbọ́n ti pọ̀ ju ọkàn máa ń dẹ́nu ní nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀. Mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi Jack Olúṣọlá ẹ̀gbọ́n lẹ́jẹ́ sí mi ti bá ní ẹgbẹ́ àjọ jẹ́gbẹ́ irọ́ ni mo pa á jẹ́ pé mo fẹ́ máa disrespect yín ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ń lọ sí US lọ́dọ̀ kọ́là wa. Ẹ bá mute background ẹ ti wọlé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo mọ̀ máa mú tẹ̀.
Ẹ ti wọlé sá. Adúpẹ́ fẹ́lẹ́ dùn mọ́ rẹ̀.
Ayíyọ̀kọ́ ní sáré di ọ̀làlẹ̀.
Ẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ sá. Thank you.
I want to just appreciate you. I want to just encourage you. of course mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ó ti yarí pátápátá. I believe pé Ọlọ́run máa fún yín ní okun àti agbára ọgbọ́n àti òye láti ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ ṣe títí tó pẹ́. Ẹ wà lára àwọn tó máa jèrè lórúkọ Jésù. Mo fẹ́ sáré kí àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan pápápá. Ìkíní ni pé kò fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìdìbò. Bíbélì sọ fún wa pé ó ní ẹni tó pẹ̀yìn dà lójú ogun, ó ní okun ẹ̀ ní òtó. So gẹ́gẹ́ mo ṣe sọ lánàá, àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ sì máa yàgà. Wọ́n sì máa Ọlọ́run mọ́ jẹ́ Ọlọ́run tó sọ pé kò sí Nàìjíríà mọ́. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí analysis gbogbo àwọn prophecies. Mo discover pé Ọlọ́run fi àjùlọ ran àwọn prophet kankan ni. Because tó bá jẹ́ pé àti gba Yorùbá nation, àwọn prophet kà á jọra wọn di Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ sọ wípé òun ò lè bá ẹnìkan nígbà ògo òun. Wọ́n rí lóòótọ́ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan ti wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ bíi pé wọ́n jìjọ ń jẹun lórí tébùlù tábìlì Ọlọ́run ni. Ọlọ́run wá fẹ́ ṣòpò pé èmi jẹ́ ọba. Ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn ẹ ti ń pín ògo mi. Ìyẹn dúró bẹ́ẹ̀. Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí náà ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú Bíbélì. Ọlọ́run sọ fún Dáfídì pé Sólómọ́nì ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa dọ́ba. Pé ó ní òun ló máa di ọba. Ó kọ́kọ́ Dáfídì lóun fẹ́ kọ́lé bọ́lọ́run. Ọlọ́run lóun ò lè kọ́lé fún mi torí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run yẹ ò lè gbé tí fún Bókìdé kó wá gba Nàìjíríà kò possible. Ó ṣe ní ó ní Dáfídì ẹni bí ọkàn mi ni ẹ o. Ó fẹ́ kọ́lé fún mi àbí mo rí ọkàn ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ kọ́lé fún mi. Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n bá òkú ò lè kọ́lé fún mi. Ṣùgbọ́n